Oh yeah, we got a Banshee in the house. We did a little bit of work to it. Went through, checked it out, got everything all dialed in. And this thing's fucking sweet, guys. Holy cow, this thing's fast as can be. We do have a GoPro shot of it running on the track, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna go through what we did, and let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Here we go. Full flight arms, eye shock. CPI pipes, a little bit of bling, cool head, OEM, V-Force reeds, TM carburetors, pods, super stretched, brand new tires, needs bump stops on the shocks, needs cleaned up a little bit. But other than that, this thing's sweet as can be.